Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the BGrow automobile phone holder. Let's check this thing out here, shall we? All right, so this has a little turn suction on there. You just put it on there and turn that and locks it into place. This extends out a bunch of different ways, rotates this. This thing also turns on here too. Comes with a couple little MagSafe things. You can stick them on your phone. I got my phone right here. It's already got a MagSafe case, but it's like super strong there. You could be like off-roading. This thing is not gonna fall off there. That is really, it's on there good. So let's go set this up in my, also this is like, yeah, this is pretty strong. It's not gonna bounce around anything. You put that on your phone and it's gonna stay in place wherever you lock it in there. So let's go throw this in the car and see how it works here. Actually, I wanted to test this on my table. I got a plastic table. It's kind of textured though, so I didn't think anyone would stick to it, but let's give it a shot. Press it down and just turn that. Hear it clicking, and then that it's picking up my table. This thing is legit. It's like a Costco, like 6 foot table here. It weighs probably, I don't know, it's pretty heavy, and this thing is just holding it up, and it's a textured surface, so that's pretty crazy. I tried other like suction cups on this table and didn't hold just because it does have those little textures in there, but this thing is like, it's on there. So to undo it, just simply turn it, and then it's still not coming off there. You got to lift that little tab. My goodness. That is no joke there. I don't know if I can even get this thing off of here. Urgh. Okay, yeah, that is legit. Hey guys, here we are out in the van, and we got this non-smooth textured surface here. Just throw it on there and turn it to the right. That locks it in place. This will swivel 360 degrees around. Throw your phone on there, holds it in place with that strong magnet. It's not gonna go anywhere. You can rotate it and pull it on and off easily. What I like about that is like other phone holders, they have like little mechanisms that hold it in, so you got to push a button to release your phone or other weird stuff. This one, you don't have to do that. It just sticks on there with a magnet, so it's very convenient. So you can throw this on your windshield. You can throw it on pretty much anywhere. I'm really impressed with it. I've used other phone holders that had a suction cup, and they didn't work that well. I mean, even if they did stick to the textured surface, it'd only be for a couple seconds, and then they just pop off. So this one has some kind of miraculous technology that allows it to stick pretty much anywhere, so it's super burly. Yeah, I kind of like the design too. It's compact, and I like how you can basically display your phone in any angle that you want. You can tilt it towards you, whether you want it in portrait mode or landscape mode. It's gonna hold nicely. So I was super impressed with it. It's got a very strong hold, and it does a great job. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll definitely link it in the description below. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day out there, and I'll see you next time.